Foldable technology. It all started as a bit of a novelty, didn't it? I mean, who could forget the initial reception? Many saw it as just a gimmick, something flashy but not really practical. But as time went on, these devices began to evolve. They became more than just a party trick. Engineers and designers worked tirelessly to improve their functionality, durability, and overall user experience. Now, foldable phones are carving out their own niche in the tech world, proving that innovation can indeed lead to practical advancements. Fast forward to today and wow, have things changed. Now we have foldable smartphones, tablets, and even laptops. You can see how smooth the folding mechanisms are and the designs, just incredible. So, how did we get here? Let's take a journey through the fascinating evolution of foldable technology. Well, foldable technology has come a long way, from the clunky prototypes of the past to the sleek modern devices we see today. The improvements in durability are remarkable. Engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure these devices can withstand daily wear and tear. Screen technology, it's like night and day compared to the early days. The clarity and flexibility of today's screens are truly groundbreaking, and the user experience has been fine-tuned to perfection. These devices seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, making technology more accessible and convenient than ever before. Let's take a moment to discuss the potential future applications of foldable technology beyond just mobile devices. Imagine foldable tech in wearable gadgets like smartwatches that can transform into larger screens, or even foldable displays integrated into vehicles, providing dynamic dashboards. Think about foldable tablets that can fit in your pocket or flexible screens that can be rolled up. The possibilities are, quite frankly, endless. So what do you think? Are foldable devices here to stay, or are they just a passing trend? We'd love to hear your thoughts. In conclusion, could foldable technology be the next big thing, or is it just another tech experiment? It's certainly something to ponder as we look to the future.